Oh,
What does it say? I can't read. What's this? Oh, wait, it has English. Sometimes you gotta spend money. It's designed to be used. Someone unexpected emerges as potential partner. The one you're interested is not good. Are you seeing a job change? Be a more thoughtful or taking time. Oh, green smoothie is good for your consultation, but no sign of weight loss. Your appeal of fulfillment would attract more positive vibe. Post about hobby is good. Okay. What does it say?
just